Hello, in this video, we will learn how to watch TikTok live videos in picture-in-picture mode. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell to receive all updates. First, open the TikTok application. Then, go to the live broadcast you want to watch. At this moment, if the PIP, picture-in-picture, feature is already enabled, we can exit TikTok and watch the broadcast from outside the app. However, since we haven't activated the feature before, we will now press share to enable it. Next, click on background player. Now, select the picture-in-picture option. Click on the video. Now, exit the TikTok application. You can move it to any desired location on your screen. You can also resize it by zooming in or out. From here, you can remove it. Here, you can mute the sound. Here, you can disable the PIP feature. Finally, if you want to re-enter the live broadcast, click here. I hope the content of the video has been helpful to you. Please support us by liking the video and subscribing to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you, and see you in the next video.